Okay. Looks good to me. The replacement pump. Which goes to the rear. I have to think about what I'm doing here because I can't remember how I took it apart. Absolute distractions. But there should be a plug that came off of it that should plug right into this. One way it appears. And then this comes down through here if I remember. Oh yeah, I don't think that's right. It's just like that. And the outlet needs to be facing somewhere. Okay, there it is. I didn't even know that that's the spot it goes in. It's actually pretty simple. It appears. If we go like that, that's wrong because that's in the way. The fat pigs doing what pigs do. Extremely social creatures. Okay. And this goes on here. I'm surprised my hand grabbed that. Now back to this view. I mean, that's it, pretty much. You put the plate back on here. Cover, plate, whatever. A fucking dope head. Meaning that they have no brains. That's a better word for it. Because when you do recreational drugs, you become inebriated in a way to where you have no sense. That's it, dude. And so, being a dopehead is being senseless. Like, you're not even aware of the things you're doing. Pretty sure that there was one here. We do not want to impact this stuff on. It's just let it sleep tightly. Snug. Two more remaining. It appears one is here. This one is wrong. Certain that it doesn't make a difference. Because it's different. It doesn't have the star pattern. But I mean, they're all the same. That's it, dude. We just gotta hook it up. Ugh, complications. How I got it on its side. It's fucking wet. And just do a quick wash. I think I've got a couple blankets. But the problem was that it wouldn't drain the water. It was just all over the floor. So we need the drain. It's not rocket science, but I'll see if I can cover it. So it goes on here. I have to get pliers. Come on, dude, just grab it. As I have to sneeze terribly. Just move it out of the way. Get it on here first. And then grab it. I mean, I probably could have done both of them at once, but not with the camera in mind. And then this here. Let's actually go under everything. That way it can work right.